All right, Friday morning, got the workout in, feeling pretty good after being sick the past couple weeks. It always feels good to get back into the groove. Hope you're doing the same. Hope you're finding that groove. Right now, heading into the open, markets are pretty flat. It's quiet across the board. Seeing that dollar pick up a little strength after a week of just getting slammed. Equity markets are flat, still awaiting passage of a stimulus package. You know, we still got Brexit on the table as well. So certainly some catalyst out there that could drive these markets and some volatility in the interim. Want to send a shout out to the 1,000 folks that attended our first inaugural Nadex day trading boot camp yesterday. What a great showing. Had a great day full of education. Bunch of people out there just hungry to make themselves better, traders, and just getting after it. So I want to thank all of you for spending 3 hours with us. If you didn't catch it, if you weren't able to make it live, we've got the recording up. You'll be able to find that on our YouTube channel. Spend some time. Like I said, 3 hours, 3 different sessions. Spend some time making yourself a better trader. There's never enough education out there. Let's get after it. Let's have a great day. Have a great weekend. And I'll check in with you folks again on Monday. All right, bye-bye.